everyone, welcome. Today we're going to be talking about this almighty, all-powerful Tundra. So this is our 2019 Toyota Tundra Crewmax Platinum, and this was a recent trade. Beautiful condition. This does come with winter tires, which are on their own separate rims. And this Tundra, pretty low kilometers. It's only got 27,815. This Tundra is a Toyota certified used vehicle. And basically what a TCUV vehicle is it's just under the microscope, a little bit longer. So it does come with a 160-point quality insurance inspection done by our Toyota factory trained technicians. Your first oil and filter change is complimentary. Your warranty is honored at over 1,500 Toyota dealers in Canada and the US, and it does go through extensive mechanical and appearance reconditioning by our Toyota factory trained technicians. Those are just some of our program highlights of our TCUV vehicles. Basically, if you're getting into a TCUV vehicle, you're going to have that peace of mind and years of satisfaction knowing that you did get into a great high quality vehicle. So this Tundra has a 5.7 liter I-Force V8 engine with 381 horsepower and 401 pounds of torque. It also comes with a remote start. It had one previous owner. It is a Wayne Toyota original vehicle, meaning that it was purchased here, serviced here, and traded in here. Comes with your running boards, a embedded navigation, your dual zone automatic climate control, driver's seat memory, heated and ventilated, which are cooling front seats, the power vertical sliding rear window, your power tailgate lock, a spray and bedliner, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, auto high beam, dynamic radar cruise control, Sirius XM satellite radio, backup camera, and being that it is the Crewmax, which means it has a huge interior cabin, it is the short bed, so it has a 5.5-foot cargo bed. And it does have the towing hitch receiver, the 4/7-pin connector with your trailer brake controller. This 2019 Tundra is definitely going to be able to help you out in the winter time with its 4x4 capabilities. Very comfortable drive, very comfortable seating. You and your passengers are gonna never want to leave this truck because it's so comfortable. If you're interested in taking this Tundra out for a test drive, come on down to 787 Central Avenue, or if you want to give us a call at 623-8842 for additional information, we'd love to see ya. Thanks.